You guys, you don't even want to see this. It is such a mess in my house. My kids were just on fall break for the last couple of days. Plus we had tons going on for the Halloween holiday weekend, and we did family pictures on Sunday, and then, you know, busy with watching election stuff last night. So my house has gone to you know where. It is so crazy. This is a huge mess. There is stuff everywhere. And I need to make a dent on this today because it's driving me crazy. Wish me luck. There's so much to do. I don't even know where to start. But I hope you enjoy this clean with me. Give it a thumbs up for your moral support. Subscribe if you're new. I make new videos all about mom life and how it's both the most wonderful but challenging and exasperating thing we will ever do with our lives. As you can see, I am exhausted. Not much sleep in my house the last few days, again, thanks to the time change. So if you are a mom, let me know in the comments what you think about time changes these days, and let's get to it. Okay, I threw my hair back, I put on a new shirt, and obviously I'm just gonna get all gross cleaning here, but you can see that it's about 8:10 in the morning. I have maybe an hour that I will let myself clean here and try and get some semblance of sanity back in my house, but then I gotta get to work. So wish me luck. Let's do as much as we can in this time, and yeah, let's do this. I'm also really excited to let you know that this is a collaboration with two other incredible YouTube moms here. So check the links in the description so that you can go and watch their videos after this one. Jessica, Mama Jessie J, is one of my dearest friends on Instagram and YouTube. She's just incredible. And then Blessings for the Bards is one of my favorite YouTube channels to watch for cleaning motivation and awesome recipes and just real life everything. She is so cool. So both of these moms are wonderful, and I'm just so grateful to know them. Please show them some love, go support their channels, and give their videos a thumbs up. So of course I need to start out by showing you what we are working with. My kids have left all kinds of random things out, and then, you know, they've just destroyed our couches. Look how gross this is. We have it all duct taped up. Here's some socks with granola bar pieces all over. I have some covers that I normally keep on these, but obviously they pulled those off. I've got laundry over here that, believe it or not, is clean, but has been sitting there for about a day or two. Just random stuff. This is the toy box, and so some things get thrown in there. They have been destroying this trampoline. I tell you, my three boys are just destructive. This tent obviously doesn't go here, but they were playing with making forts. Then I just brought all of these shoes in from outside. They got left outside last night after the kids played on the trampoline, and now they're all wet and gross, and I need to do something with that. My oldest son thought it would be really fun to get out Easter stuff. Don't ask me why. This is November now when I'm filming this. But he got out all of the holiday stuff and, you know, was sweetly trying to decorate. But we've got Easter grass along with fall decor. This is the leftover scene of our breakfast table this morning. Just junk everywhere. Oh, I don't even want to look at these dishes. That is so crazy. And then this high counter is where we end up just shoving everything. Those dishes are clean. They need to get put away. Don't ask me why we have slippers on the counter along with some stuff from packing their lunches today. Just junk everywhere, stacks. I mean, this is so awful. I made fried chicken last night, and so you can tell I didn't clean up the counter from all of the flour and nice greasy mess of dinner. Gross. Leftover breakfast. Oh my gosh, this is just, it gives me the creepy crawlies. I can't stand it when my house is so out of control, but yet this is the norm for us with 3 young boys and 2 working parents. Books, papers, 2 more loads of clean laundry. I could spend all day doing that. Here just, you know, looks somewhat normal, I guess, right? Like, I asked my kids to put away paper. This is what they do. It's on there, but it's not very nice and neat, and you can tell that the shelf got moved away from the wall. This room is miraculously clean. How about that? This is supposed to be their playroom and their schoolroom, but of course then they dragged all the play stuff out, like the play kitchen that they then put in the living room just to have it right smack in the middle of the way. And then my laundry room, oh my gosh, it's overflowing with so much stuff that needs to be cleaned. I'm so embarrassed to even show you all of the mess that is everywhere here. We just have stuff that I need to take care of, so that's what I'm going to be doing. I can breathe a sigh of relief. Things are slowly but surely coming back into place. I wish I had nothing to do but just keep chipping away at the mess. But I've decided that, you know, my kids need to pitch in a little bit more, and I'm not gonna be picking up the Easter grass and the Easter eggs and those things off the floor. So I'm gonna have them do that tonight when they get home from school, and then we will sweep and mop and do some of the other things that still need to be done. But I made big headway on the laundry. I obviously got the kitchen, you know, put back together so that I can make dinner tonight. I'm really happy that I was able to clear off that disaster of a countertop, and the living room, you know, is what it's gonna be. So overall, a pretty good cleaning day for me. I've got to get into work. I need to take a shower, get myself put together. But again, thanks for being here. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate your support on this channel. So make sure and subscribe if you haven't already, and then run to check out the other videos from Mama Jessie J and Blessings for the Bards. I know that you will love their channels as much as you love this one. So thank you. Until next time, I will see you soon. Have a great day.